the ATR Filter Oscillator, which is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the oscillator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on your chart. Additionally, traders can read this page to learn about how the oscillator works and its functionality. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file and run the indicator by dragging the file onto the chart. Once the indicator is placed on the chart, an oscillator window will appear at the bottom of the chart. The ATR filter indicator is an advanced and enhanced version of the ATR indicator, which applies a moving average within the oscillator. Experienced traders who diligently utilize the average true range ATR indicator for their comprehensive analyses and to accurately identify prevailing market volatility can, by effectively employing this powerful indicator, precisely detect potential buy and sell signals within the dynamic market environment during significant periods of increased movement and heightened volatility, specifically by carefully observing and utilizing the ATR in conjunction with strategic moving average crossovers. Traders can determine the period of the indicator based on their strategic system, and when the market is experiencing increased volatility within a certain range and the moving average line crosses upward, they can identify this as a signal for rising market volatility and rapid price movements and use it as a basis for their market analyses. In the Settings section, under the Input tab, there are options available to us, and in the first input, we can specify the calculation period for the ATR. In the second input, we can set the calculation period for the moving average, and in the third input, we can choose the moving average calculation method from among 4 options: simple, exponential, smoothed, and linear weighted. And finally, we can specify the shift value for the moving average here, which by default is set to 0, meaning it is applied to the last candle or the current candle. If we set this value to a positive number, the moving average will shift to the right by that many candles, and if we set it to a negative number, it will shift to the left by that many candles and be displayed accordingly. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be glad if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.